Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we make managing your finances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to set up Autopay for your Visa card. If you're tired of manually paying your bills every month and risking late fees, this is the video for you. Autopay automatically deducts your payment from your linked bank account, ensuring you never miss a due date. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Visa card account. Head over to your card issuer's website or app. Think Chase, Capital One, or whoever issued your card. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're in, look for the Payments or Bill Pay section. It's usually front and center in your dashboard. Next, find the Autopay option. This might be under Auto Payments or Set up Recurring Payments. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to link a bank account. Select your checking or savings account from the list, or add a new one if it's not there. Don't worry, it's secure, and you'll verify it with a small test deposit. Now, for the fun part: customizing your Autopay. Choose how much you want to pay each month, whether it's the full balance, a minimum payment, or a fixed amount. Then, set the payment date, like a few days before your due date, to avoid any issues. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Finally, review and confirm your setup. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's active. And just like that, you're good to go. Remember, always keep an eye on your account to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I've got you covered. See you next time.